Hi and welcome to In the Can. So today I'm going to be making a pineapple chicken curry. So in the pan I've got some oil. In the pot I've got some oil. Here I have some chicken thighs that I cut into bite-sized pieces. I'm going to add that to the pot and I'm going to brown them. So we're going to let this brown for a little bit and then we'll be right back. Okay, now that my chicken's had a little bit of time to brown a bit, it's not quite cooked through, I'm going to add a teaspoon of garlic. Yeah. I want 2 tablespoons of red curry paste, there we are, 2 tablespoons of curry powder, and 1 teaspoon of ginger. Oops. Now I'm going to add a can of coconut milk, and a can of coconut cream. I want half of a red bell pepper sliced and half of a yellow bell pepper sliced. Then I'm going to add a can of chunked pineapple with the juice. My curry sauce is kind of thin, but that's the way it is. When you get this to come to a boil, and while it's coming to a boil, I'm going to grab a plate of rice. It's taken quite a while for this to come to a boil. This is a lot of liquid. And it's beginning to boil now. There we go. Alright, let's serve some of this over the rice. And there you have it. Let's give this a little taste. Mmm. Pretty good. Like curry taste. The pineapple brings a bit of a brightness to it. So I'm going to show you now that I've made this how I'm going to doctor it up a little bit and make it my own. So I'll be right back. Okay, this curry is good as is. And you can serve it with a side of vegetables, or if you're like me, you can add a few carrot sticks to the pot. And some snap green peas. And this way you got your main course also contains your vegetables. Now I want to keep these vegetables crisp, so I'm just going to let it cook for a little bit. To warm those vegetables through. And there you have it. A much more complete meal. Much more complete one-pot meal. And and personally, I like this snap peas in the curry sauce. So hopefully you enjoyed this recipe and you'll give it a like. Please subscribe. And I'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.